Hi, I'm Denise Madden with the Off Florida Home Team. Step inside with me and let me show you this amazing home. You're going to love it. Welcome. This home is amazing. It's the ideal home if you're looking for something that all you have to do is bring your toothbrush and your clothes, and I literally mean that's all you need. From the beautiful tile floors to the designer painted all through the home to the LED lights. Oh my gosh, I have so much that I want to tell you. I'm probably not going to remember everything. You have this modern glass staircase. There is over here, if you do happen to have somebody that can't go up the stairs, they have this stair chair that will stay with the house if you need it. If not, the sellers are happy to remove it. You have the separate dining room over here. Then come into the kitchen with me. First of all, when I have this view, I don't think I want to cook. I just want to sit and enjoy. But you have this designer kitchen that was already remodeled since they first purchased the home. You have the quartz countertop, it's oversized. You have the stainless steel sink. You have the designer cabinets, Samsung high-level appliances, wall unit, gas. Look at, I love this refrigerator. First time I saw it, you can play music, you can write notes. I love this refrigerator, so silly. This is an amazing kitchen. You've got your LED lights. It is a smart, I'll call it a smart home. You can have the Ring doorbell, you can have the internet, you can have Ethernet, you can turn on your AC. You know everything you can do with the smartphone. Turn on the AC, turn on the lights, turn off the lights. You have zebra blinds all through the house, so you just push a button. They're automatic. You can make them go up, go down. Oh my God, it's so fantastic. Over here, also, not only do we have impact glass and windows, sliding glass doors, but for those people that get a little nervous, we have also the accordion shutters. I mean, this is the perfect home. You have this salt water pool. It's heated. It has the spa. It has the PVC fencing. You can light up at night. You can light the pool. It has a fountain. And look at this view. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. It's so incredible. Wait till I take you upstairs. We have 5 bedrooms. 2 of them are master suites. So you have rooms galore. Upstairs you have extra air conditioning vents so the air flows through. I'm just overfilling you with all this information, or I'm just overloaded with all this information because there's so many things. You've got the travertine pool. I mean, there's nothing needs to be done in this house. Not a thing. I think I've remembered almost everything. No, I know I haven't, because there's so many incredible items in this home that I really want. Oh, the designer fans in every room. You have a designer fan. I mean, the list just goes on and on. But for me, I would say right here in this kitchen, maybe have a glass of my favorite wine, champagne, sometimes a little tequila. And in the morning, of course, I'd have my morning coffee and I would enjoy this view. Where can you get this view? Come see us. We're going to have an open house. We look forward to seeing you.